After a TVJ News In Focus report probing the renovation delays at the War Theatre, the issue was raised in the Standing Finance Committee. Opposition spokesman on industry, investment and global logistics, Anthony Hilton, put this question to Culture Minister Olivia Grange.
War Theatre with the KCMC. Are there any specific plans to address those valuable assets, cultural assets?
Minister Grange responded saying the War Theatre and other monument does not fall under her ministry.
There is no allocation in our budget for those monuments. But I agree with you that those monuments need special attention and in fact should be correctly placed under this ministry so that we can budget to ensure that they are renovated and the upkeep is constant.
In our four-part probe, the KSAMC revealed that almost $90 million has been spent on the renovation works thus far.
I have engaged the Prime Minister in a discussion about Vale Royal, and I saw the Mayor recently, Mayor Swaby, and we both agreed that we need to meet to have a discussion about the War Theatre. Those monuments should be rightly placed under the Jamaica National Heritage Trust and the Institute of Jamaica, so they can be cared for by those who have the skills to do so.